Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you some tools. We are back in business, as always, electrical stuff. I'm going to show you and teach you how to make electrical panels like this one. These are from Italy, from Jevis. They are pre-made, just we're going to assemble the stuff, how to insert the terminal pins, what tools you're going to need, and so on. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so for the project of the day, how to make a DC motor at home, very easy. We're gonna need a corded drill driver like this one. This one was already broken. A power supply, maybe an 18 volts like this one, or 12 volts. So you're gonna take this one apart. I'm assuming from now you know how to do it. Just dismantle the bastard thing. You're gonna need the rotor. This was the stator. It's got some coils inside the thing. Where is one? It's not here. So we're gonna dismantle the stuff and we're gonna take the rotor apart. Inside that stator thing, it was one of these coils, two actually, one on the bottom and one on top. That was driving the rotor. This is the original rotor, as you can see, or the bastard thing. We have took it apart as it was. We didn't change nothing. Just we make these things to hold it in place and with the ball bearings. And underneath the bastard thing, we did put two magnets, two neodymium magnets stacked together. As you can see, we didn't align them properly. Basically, I have these neodymium magnets that are very strong as hell. And for our project of today, you know how to make a DC motor, because this was made to run on AC. We have put the magnet underneath the bastard thing, and we're gonna put it like so. We're gonna put some wires on this 18 drill power supply, and we're gonna power the bastard thing, and you're gonna see the actual running of itself. Alright, so stay tuned. As you can see, we have connected two leads to the thing, and we're gonna power the motor to see if actually it's gonna run. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so you can see the motor. I got the leads here. Take it up. Okay, alright, so we're gonna put one lead on this side and one lead on the other side. Let's take it from the camera. Let's see what's going on. Going very fast, yeah? Going very fast. Alright, so the bastard thing was running very fast. So this one is an ongoing project. We're gonna put some other magnets on top of the thing, and maybe a coil over here, a shaft, and some other magnets. And then maybe we're gonna make a generator, or who knows. Alright friends, so stay tuned. From now on, more videos about tools, about electrical panels, and just here you go friends. We have step up level. I'm gonna show you how to make beautiful electrical panels with a terminal connection like this one from Vago. I got a nice Vago printer as well. We're gonna print labels and tickets and stuff. But as always, you know, DIY project like this one. Now we're gonna try to repair this circular saw. We will see. This one was burned out, as you can see. It's fucked. So we're gonna see if we can make it run again. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one.